Alright, so this is going to be a two-part video, and the first part is going to start off here in Google Forms. We should all have our school Google account so we can come up to this module. We can see all the different applications. There's Forms, you're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you right here, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and click on either blank or one of these templates, and I'm just going to go ahead and open mine and show you what I kind of created. You can kind of go off of this or create something completely different. Doesn't matter. I just need you to have two things. I need you to have a place for the group's name and then the day that they will be coming to you. So this is the one that you're going to fill out for me. Let's say you wanted to do pickleball on Tuesday. You'd click this little circle. Okay. Let's say you wanted to do spike ball Monday. Boom. So on and so forth. Okay. So every single day of the week, you're going to need to pick one of these activities. And then hopefully whenever I get everybody's in, I can make a master calendar where I can kind of move one or two groups around each day just so that every group has another group coming to them. Okay? So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can go ahead and add that on the bottom. Big thing here is once you and your group finish your Google form, you're going to go ahead and press send. And then you're going to click this little link button up here. And you're going to copy that link, okay? This is going to take us to the second part of our video where we're going to be using this QR code generator website. I will have a QR code for this website up on the board for everyone to get to it nice and smooth. But pretty much once you paste that form right here, it's going to pop up a generated QR code right here. And I've already started customizing, but you can choose any kind of customization for this. You can change the color to match your group's theme. You can make it smooth. You can make it thin. All these different options are all going to work for that same QR code. Okay, so if I put it back to normal here, but I want it to look a little different, there we go. Okay, once I finish that, I am going to press confirm. And then pretty much I'm going to do the same thing that I did for my link. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard or I'm going to download it. And either one is fine, but I need a way to get to this QR code so that I can print it out for each group. So with that being said, I'm going to need everyone to, once they have their QR code, go ahead and save that. Remember, there's all these different kinds of customizations. There's different ones you can see up here. And then once you all figure that out, you're going to send it to me and I'm going to put everybody's in a form that I can print out. And then you're going to go ahead and use that to get the other groups to sign up for your lesson. Okay. So if there's any other questions in class, I can go ahead and answer that for you guys. But hopefully, this video helped both of these dynamics and just being able to get this done before class time.